Planet Earth is hiring, and Manpower is here to help. If you believe it is people that power economies and shape them, if you want to continue learning and power the building of a better world for our children and their children, then we need you. Whoever you are, a dreamer, a doer, a shaper, a leader, we need you to join us in our commitment to changing the world, one job at a time. For over 75 years, we have been at the forefront of transformations in the world of work. And now, we are going to do it again. Developing the workforce of tomorrow, powering the green transition, with a clear goal to develop, train, and place 10 million people in green jobs around the world. This transformation is our commitment, our mission, and our offer to you. Will you join us? Together, our work makes the world work.